Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you through this park here in Sebewaing, Michigan. Hey, that's me right there. Um, but in fact, I got a little thing in the, you see that right there? Can you zoom in on that? Can't zoom in from here, but anyway, that's my little card I put so people knows that I've got a YouTube channel. But we're here in Sebewaing, Michigan, and I'm here doing the Sugarbeet Harvest. And this is where they have us at. It is a local park here. I'll put it right there. That's the park we're at right now. That's what it's called. It's actually a municipal park. But I'm gonna take you around this park and show you what it's all about. So in case you want to come stay here, you might just consider staying at this park. I actually like it a lot better than the park next door. The park next door, they really got them slammed together, and there's hardly any trees or grass. But this is much nicer, as you can tell. Anyway, come along with us because you just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. One of the things I noticed right off the bat, and I do not like whatsoever, is the spacing of the hookups. Like right down there, you see is the sewer and the electrical. From what I gather, I don't know if there's only a few 50 amps here. This is one of the 30 amps to include. I'm on a 30 amp, but you know what? When the weather's nice, it's not bad at all. And also you find some items like this. This is an apple tree. And boy, I will be getting me some fresh apples here, I assure you. But drawback to this site, and it's kind of like mine. So here's your hookups for your power and your sewer, but way over here is your water. Yeah, so you better bring a hose. You either park close to this and that, and mine was so far away, I ended up going up underneath my RV, and so my sewer and my power is right here close to each other. But my water, instead of me going way over here, which I found was 25 feet, I could go 19 feet and go to the one on the other side. So I'm using it. The great thing about the water hookups is, let me see, this one got it. Yes, is they've got more than one spigot. They got a main spigot, and then you get two spigots. So a lot of people bring splitters. This one here you wouldn't need it, but I'm actually using one next door. So if that person gets mad at me, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to go get the extra one that's on this pole here, I believe. So anyway, let's go in and take a look at some of the facilities. Well, this park is at the edge of the town, and I believe that's going to be Lake Michigan, or parts of it. Not Michigan, it's one of the other parts. I'll put it right here. Yeah, that's the lake it is. I don't know off the top of my head. Huron? Anyway, so this is their, they got a really nice restroom here. Let's keep the birds out. Look at that free little library. Just looks like we got some movies maybe. No, I got movies up here. Please enjoy a movie, but kindly return it when you get done. I just might do that if I find one I can't find online. Got nice little advertisements here for different things going on in the area. No fireworks in the park. So I may read through some of this. I'll be probably doing a review of this place while I'm here, because I'll be here for 2.5 months. My wife is not with me, so my going out to eat might just increase. We'll see. But this is what the park looks like right now. You come in here, and I'm actually at site 43. I'm right here on the corner, and this building we're standing at is here, so it's pretty convenient. But I had to park my, well, there's visitor parking, but right in here is parking for your trailer. So I've got a trailer that I haul my car with, and it's going to be right there. They do have a nice playground. I'll get you a picture of that here in just a little bit. But let me take you in here. I just came in the men's restroom, and it was empty. It's in really good condition. I like the high ceilings. I didn't even notice that the first time I came in here. It looks like it's freshly painted. This is run by the city, is what it is. Oh, good, there's no deposits left. So that's always good. A little bit of rust. I'm probably not going to use these. I'm full hookups and everything else, so I'm probably not going to use these at all. They could definitely use some refurbishing in here. But everything probably works. Looks like it's on a timer. I don't see a temperature control on here. That's probably not good. And it's on a timer and I can't turn it off, so I guess I'll leave it. But I like the high voltage ceilings. Sure, the ladies' room looks just the same. Let's see if this is automatic. Ooh, that's strong. That one's strong. Yeah, that's pretty clear. No fireworks. Dogs must be on a leash. See that one? Yeah, there he is. Chasing toads. That is a toad, not a frog. He is dry. Frogs are wet. Good size one though. This looks like some tent camping area here. I thought maybe it was going to take me out next to the water. I don't know if there's how close we are to the water, but if there is, I'm gonna get us there. There actually looks like there's a bridge right over there. I may take us to that bridge. That bridge there. Yeah, we'll probably drive up there. This looks like this is tent campers. So if you're having a tent camp jamboree or something like that, you got kind of your own secluded little area. I like it. My guess is there's no power, no water. Obviously no sewer. Not a bad looking park. Looks like it's well kept. I'm actually here for the Sugarbeet Harvest, and a lot of people that are here are doing the same. They're going to rent out a lot of these spaces, these extra empty spaces that we have here to the Sugarbeet Harvest. I know he is. He's this guy here with his family. He's going to be there because I met him in orientation because I'm going to do Sugarbeet Harvest this year. Something different. Some people like this guy here is probably an annual. He's probably here year round. He just pays the fee and they give him a discount for keeping something here year round. You see that a lot of them, they'll build their own decks. It's like he's got a thing here to catch wood. It don't look like he's been here in a while, but his water's hooked up. Normally if you leave him, you're going to disconnect your water, but he left that. There's some nice fire pits out back too. You can see several people got fire pits. That guy there's got some wood. And here's my fire pit here. So that's what you'll find. The electrical seems to be attached to the two, and then all of a sudden, like I think this guy here, I don't see his water spigot, so he must going to use this one here because I'm actually tied into one of them, but there's another dual spigot on the other side. I may have to use get out my extension because I don't see any water on this side. This looks like a dead site here. Not doing anything there. Wow, and this looks like this might be, no, this is just one site. Good size though. I could probably back up a little further, but my hookups are really close to where I want them to be, so I'm doing that. I also got my Starlink up there. Be sure to check out my video coming up about Starlink and how I like it. I got it, I think I got it in January, so I've had it a year. I won't tell you how I like it, pros and cons of Starlink. Just be looking for that video. So this building here is at the back. It says senior meal site. I don't know if they still use this. It looks like they do because they got curtains hanging. Maybe something during the week they have, but this is a nice place to fish. I want to give me a fishing license, I guess. I've got all the equipment. Could probably buy some fresh bait. This is way toward the back of the park. No fishing, loitering, or parking. 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. Okay, so outside of that, we could probably loiter. Yay. We'll go across this thing here. No motorized vehicles on trail or on bridge. Okay, this is a really nice place to ride your bicycle. Now, there's not a, I don't see it. Well, I guess I see some kind of tracks in here. But this is like a walking trail out back behind the park, and there's water there. Just talked to some guy fishing down on a little dock. But it's really well kept. I'm actually quite surprised and impressed. It is about 68 degrees. It's about 4 o'clock. Absolutely beautiful time for a ride. I'm in shorts and shorts and a t-shirt. It is no bugs or anything like that. I'm actually pretty surprised. Some nice Nice addition to this park. There's a waterway that way. Well, here at the back of this park, they got a big maintenance shed. It's propane. And this is seniors meal site, Sebewaing, Michigan. So it's, my guess is it's locked. Yes, it's locked. But it looks like a kind of a cool site, kind of a cool place. There's no tables. That tells me it hasn't been used in a while. Go around back. So that's the waterway there to the back of this property. Someone out there fishing. Actually just talked with them. Some people down here got boats. It's a nice little canal. And I went over that bridge, and it's just it's a trail is what it is. It's nice and wide. They keep it maintained. It's like they got upstairs here. I don't know what this building was before. It must have been someone's residence. Definitely some residents out there. This will, my guess is this channel here, from what I've seen from diagrams, will actually take you out to the big lake. And so yeah, that takes you out to Saginaw Bay, which is part of Lake Huron. No wake in. I haven't seen any motorized boats in here yet. I'm sure there are some. Nice and peaceful. I'm going to give me a fishing license because I'll be here 2.5 months. This is a pretty good map. Shows you, this is basically the thumb when you're looking at Michigan. So you look at Michigan, this is like the thumb area, is what it is. So you get the port, main port at the end, and here's where this place here is. I ain't been here but a couple hours, and I got someone trying to break in. He is, or she is, almost 4 inches long. She's trying to grab me. Nice. So now I'm at the back of the RV park, trying my hand at some fishing. And yes, as a matter of fact, I did get a fishing license for Michigan. Real quiet out here. Just the way I like it. So this park is not very big. As a matter of fact, the trail I just went down, which is behind me, behind that building you see, goes all the way, probably as long as this driveway is. It's probably half a mile. That's most of the people in the park. I'd say there's 60 some odd spots, maybe 70. Here's overflow parking. That's my trailer back there. Black one, did you see it? Rewind, go look. That black one back there is on the other side of that white one. It's mine. But this is area for picnicking. If you want to throw up a tent, you could. Let me show you where I'm going. You can hear a plane. That's the canal between us and those houses over there. There's a canal around the other side of those, that high grass. And I believe there's a playground around here somewhere. Well, that's the playground, yeah. That's the playground. And that is the office. That's the main office that you come in. You probably saw a picture of the what the park looks like. Like them. Well maintained.